people saying they don't know what the next PNP government will do if they are to win the general election. That is simply not true. They have told us on every political platform they have been on. A PNP government will put a little thing on imported food items, making things like rice, flour, sardine, tin boom more expensive. A PNP government will force teachers to work for 2 extra hours per day, extending their work day by 4 extra hours since work not done when the school bell ring. A PNP government will build houses for poor people in swamplands. A PNP government will abolish the rural school bus program and instead provide transportation to 20,000 students only using Probox and Taximan. A PNP government will... what was I say again? Unfortunately, that's all we've heard from them for the past 5 years, only 4 proposals. And sure, they've all been met with national outrage. And sure, they've all required clarity after clarity after clarity after clarity. And yes, we know that at some point, when nonsense becomes a pattern, it is no longer accidental. But it's simply not true to say they haven't told us what they're going to do.